Has your drill bit ever gotten dull over time? A dull bit will work harder, take longer to drill, and leave a ragged hole. Sharpening your bits keeps them performing well. So today, we will talk about the best drill bit sharpeners. We will do a test of all bit sharpeners and see which ones might be a good fit for you. Let's get started. Steps for sharpening and testing. We sharpened each bit using the following steps. Step 1. Place the drill bit in the sharpener according to the instructions. Step 2. Sharpen the bit for the recommended time. Step 3. Tested the sharpened bit by drilling a hole in a piece of steel. Drill bit sharpeners. We put 6 sharpeners to the test. Drill Master. General Tools Drill Grinding Attachment. Chicago Electric Drill Bit Sharpener. Goodman Drill Sharpener. Bosch Sharpener. Drill Doctor 750X Drill Bit Sharpener. Sharpening Test. We then tested the sharpened bits by drilling holes in a piece of steel. The factory sharpened bit from a popular brand drilled the fastest, followed by the bits sharpened with the Drill Doctor and the Goodman Sharpener. Here are some key takeaways from testing these sharpeners. Drill Doctor, our favorite for its speed, ease of use, and versatility. However, it's also the most expensive option. Factory sharpened bit. This bit, from a well-known brand, drilled the fastest, showcasing the importance of a sharp edge. Goodman Drill Sharpener, a decent choice for home use, but limited in the size range of bits it can handle. General Tools Drill Grinding Attachment. This budget-friendly option requires a bench grinder but delivers good results with a bit of setup. Bosch Sharpener. Although on the pricier side, the Bosch Sharpener offered relatively quick sharpening. Drill Master. This affordable sharpener requires some technique to achieve a good result, making it a better option for experienced users. Results. The time it took to sharpen each bit varied depending on the sharpener and the condition of the bit. Here's the results according to their numbers. Drill Doctor 750X Drill Bit Sharpener, fastest sharpener and produced good results. General Tools Drill Grinding Attachment did a good job but required a bench grinder and some setup time. Bosch Sharpener, relatively quick but a bit pricey. If budget isn't a concern, the Bosch Sharpener offers good speed and quality. Goodman Drill Sharpener, faster than some, but limited in the range of bit sizes it could handle. Chicago Electric Drill Bit Sharpener, slow and a bit awkward to use. Drill Master, slow and required some technique to get a good result. Finding the right sharpener. The best sharpener for you depends on your needs and budget. Consider these factors. Frequency of use. If you sharpen bits often, a faster or more versatile sharpener might be worth the investment. Skill level. Some sharpeners are easier to use than others. Budget. Sharpeners range in price from under $10 to over $100. Outrow. Keeping your drill bits sharp is essential for efficient and successful drilling. I hope you find this video helpful. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and for more drilling tips and tricks.